So I discovered that I had a hernia in the shower, and I was looking for a remedy for that, and I started shopping, and when I went on Google, uFirst Health came up with flying colors. And so actually they were the first people I called, first people I spoke with, and you hear how they do their process. The transparency here versus everywhere else I called is unparalleled. It just, you come in, they explain it to you, that the concept of those fearful hidden fees that come out months and months and months that continue to roll, it doesn't happen here. And that's gave me a lot of confidence in the medical industry of just seeing that there's still people who do it like that. You can come in, you can have a conversation. It's very low pressure. Dr. Tomas went through, explained exactly how this happens, exactly how you get through it. He broke down what a hernia is, how you get here, and how recovery is managed. So it is a surgical process, something that you need to have done. The mesh route, when you start reading up on the possibility of migration of a foreign object in your body, it's a little nerve-wracking. When you're using tissue from yourself, it's not a fully holistic process, but it's as holistic you're gonna get with surgery. So after talking to him with 16 years of experience doing this, it was a really easy transition to go into this being the best route for me. So once I found Dr. Tomas and I started doing some research into the no mesh side of it, it seems to be a simpler process. It seems to have a better withstanding hold on the reoccurrence rate, and you don't have a piece of plastic floating in your body. So it checked a lot of boxes for me, and once I discussed it with my family, I think it was a no-brainer from there. Procedure was phenomenal. It definitely, from once you get in, they're on time with exactly what they're saying. I didn't feel like there was massive amounts of delays or times where you're sitting there not knowing what's going on, being visited constantly. Each person who's visiting you is explaining in depth of what they're going to do and how the procedure is going to go. And now that I'm out, I'm sitting in the chair, there was not a missed beat. It's not a crucial, crazy deal. We're heading home in the next half hour. It was just an amazing experience, start to finish, as to getting educated before you're in there, and the process that I was educated on just was exactly what they do. It's really nice.
If you're ready to experience a no-mesh hernia repair, schedule your free consultation today at ufirsthealth.com or give us a call.